educators work hard to provide the most valuable educational experience possible for their students. Successful educators do not do this work in isolation or in a vacuum. At an individual level, teachers and administrators interact with parents, community leaders, and others. At an institutional level, schools coexist with religious organizations, social service agencies, after-school clubs, local businesses, and other governmental units to form the organizational fabric of the local community and the educational environment for students. In this course, we will consider how school leaders develop and strengthen relationships between schools and their publics for the mutual benefit of students, families, and the communities.